held from February 16th to 20th at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. It is the first major global AI event hosted in the Global South. The summit, organized under the India AI mission, focuses on people, planet and progress. It features 12 indigenous foundation models in 22 Indian languages and pavilions from France, Japan, the UK and others. Reportedly, Noida-based Galgotias University has been asked to vacate the India AI Impact Summit after controversy over presenting a Chinese robodog as its own. The university claimed it did not build the device, but fact check on X showed Galgotias explicitly claimed development at the summit. The showcased robodog Orion was actually a Chinese-made Unitree GO2 commercially available for around 2.5 lakh rupees. Controversy erupted as the university faced massive social media backlash for misrepresenting the device. Let's in fact listen in to the professor from the university.
मैं डॉक्टर ऐश्वर्या श्रीवास्तव गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी से प्रोफेसर।
ये जो पूरा स्टॉल है अपना इनोवेशन का आपने बहुत सारा कुछ डिस्प्ले किया, लेकिन एक कंट्रोवर्सी खड़ी हो गई जो कल एक रोबो आपने डिस्प्ले किया था। क्या कहना है इस बारे में, क्योंकि चाइना का क्लेम है कि ये उनका प्रोडक्ट है।
बिल्कुल सर, उनका ही। हमने कभी क्लेम नहीं किया कि हमने इसको मैन्युफैक्चर किया। हमने कहीं उसका लोगो भी हाइड करने की कोशिश नहीं करी। हमने केवल ये कहा कि हमने इसको अपने यूनिवर्सिटी में एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टमेंट हम इनको लेके आए हैं ताकि बच्चे उससे इंटरैक्ट करें और उसको एक्सप्लोर करके रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट के पर्पज़ से लाए। एज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दिस, जैसे हमने ये सेंटर फॉर ड्रोन इंटेलिजेंस एंड सिमुलेशन बनाया है, एनवीडिया लैब है हमारे यहाँ रिसर्च के लिए, तो हम चाहते थे बच्चे उसको देख के अपने मॉडल्स, अपने प्रोटोटाइप्स बनाने की कोशिश करें। एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द एआई इन्वेस्टमेंट हमने उसको यहाँ शोकेस किया क्योंकि वो बहुत इंटरैक्टिव था और बच्चे उसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं खुद बनाने की, पर हमने कहीं ये क्लेम नहीं किया कि वो हमने बनाया है।
लेकिन जो चीज़ें रिपोर्ट हुई उसमें ये कहा गया है कि गलगोटिया ने उसने कहा कि हमने इसमें 300 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए।
नहीं सर, इस पे नहीं कहा हमने। यही वही बोल देती हूँ, मैं वही बात बोल देती हूँ।
क्या स्टेटस है, क्योंकि मैम यहाँ पर जो आप लोगों का पवेलियन है उसकी लाइट ऑफ हो गई है, क्या कहना है आपका?
हम यही कहेंगे सर, बातचीत चल रही है, प्रेस रिलीज अभी हम एक करेंगे, उसमें आपके सारे सवालों का जवाब देंगे। थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए, बातचीत हो रही है।
क्या फॉर्मल कुछ कम्युनिकेशन
अभी हमें नहीं मिला, अभी हमें इंटीमेशन नहीं आया है कि क्या है एज ऑफ नाउ।
लेकिन
हमें बाइट देने को मना किया गया है। अभी हम थोड़ा पॉज लेंगे क्योंकि बातचीत चल रही है। एज ऑफ नाउ क्या हो रहा है हमें नहीं पता। जैसे ही हमें कुछ पता लगे आपको बताएंगे, और प्रेस रिलीज होने वाला है, उसमें आपको सब पता लग जाएगा।
एक चीज़ मैम जो जेन्युइन चीज़ है कि जो बच्चे यहाँ पर आए या जो बच्चे गलगोटिया के पार्ट हैं, क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि उनके फ्यूचर पर एक सवाल?
नहीं सर, वो भी यहाँ प्राउडली अभी भी खड़े हैं, वो मानते हैं इस बात को। वो जेन्युइन काम लेके आए थे, वो अभी भी हमारे साथ खड़े हैं। हम अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ खड़े हैं सर, बच्चे भी और फैकल्टी भी।
Let me in fact go across to my colleague Brian Thomas, who's joining us live from Bharat Mandapam for more on this. Brian, this is a controversy that we were hoping does not erupt, but now Galgotia University has been asked to vacate that stall that they had over there at the summit. Take us through all the details of this controversy.
It stemmed out from an interview that Neha Singh, who is the professor of the Galgotian University, actually gave, and it was based on Unitron, which is a Chinese-born robotic dog, which she said that it was developed. But then I had an interview with her. Rather, I had an interview with both of them. One is Neha Singh, who is the professor, and another was Dr. Aishwarya Srivastava, who is also the professor. Now, the interview was given by Dr. Neha Singh rather on this very robot.
All right, we seem to have lost the connection over there with you, Brian. If you can re-establish that connection.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are. You are.
Yeah. Again, clearly, that's what I was saying, that I had an interview with both of them. Now, when I had an interaction with them, I had these questions that has been steering. There was social media was flooded with so many of them, telling about the fact that it was misinterpreted and it is nothing but they were speaking about the fact that it was a Chinese-owned company and they were calling it their own and all of that. But even though when we had an interaction with them, and again, they've released a press statement also, press release also again, but when I had a word with them, when I was interviewing them, they clearly stated the fact that it was misinterpreted. We said it developed and not manufactured, and it was taken in a wrong way. Not only that, there was some billboards there that we even showed from our camera, and what she was saying that in the billboard, and even the robotic dog, if you see, it was written Unitron. So again, the what they were saying there was taken out of context, misinterpreted, and what we also got to know from our government sources that they were even set to vacate the hall. And it's a big hall, right? They are situated at hall number 6, where all the academia, all the colleges, all the universities rather, they put up their stall there. So they also had the stall, and it happened yesterday itself. The controversy happened yesterday after this very interview that Neha Singh has given, and then it stemmed out and it became extremely viral itself. All there was major trolling, and as per what sources we got to know that they was told to vacate the stall, vacate the hall, the booth there. But when we had a word with them, when I interviewed them, they said that they did not get any intimation of that sort to vacate the halls, and they were still there, and they were still showing that, the university students rather were showing the equipments there, what they made, and all of that. So again, yes, a major controversy did happen, and we had a detailed interview with that. We would be playing that as well in a while, so that our viewers can also get a perspective of what exactly happened and what exactly they said.
Brian, if I can request you to please stay on with us. We have some more inputs coming in. Galgotia's University Registrar Nitin Kumar Gaur has said that the university did not develop the RoboDog. He explained it was brought for student research, and any confusion arose from the words develop and development. Gaur added that he has not in fact received any official communication regarding vacating the expo. Let's in fact listen into what the registrar of Galgotia's University, Nitin Kumar Gaur, has said.
देखिए, अभी मेरा इतना कहना है कि ये दो शब्दों का एक फेर है, डेवलप और डेवलपमेंट। हमने अपना जस्टिफिकेशन भी ऑलरेडी गलगोटिया विश्वविद्यालय ने दिया है कि हमने एक रोबो खरीदा था ताकि हमारे बच्चे उस पर रिसर्च कर सकें, और हमारे बच्चे उस पर रिसर्च कर रहे हैं ताकि हम ये सीखें कि वो किस टेक्निक को यूज़ करते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे भारतवर्ष के युवा उस टेक्निक को यूज़ करके एआई से आगे, यानी एआई टेक्निक्स को कैसे आगे बढ़ाया जा सकता है, उससे अच्छा कैसे बनाया जा सकता है, उस पर काम करें, उन टेक्निक्स को सीखें, उससे आगे की टेक्निक के लिए बात करें। तो सिर्फ दो शब्द का हेरफेर है कि डेवलप और डेवलपमेंट। हमने उसको डेवलप नहीं किया है, हमने उसके डेवलपमेंट पे काम किया है, यानी हम उससे अच्छा कैसे बना सकते हैं, उससे उन्नत कैसे बना सकते हैं, कैसे भारतवर्ष के लिए, भारत के युवाओं के लिए कैसे एआई की बेहतरीन टेक्निक्स को हम आगे ला सकते हैं। यही गलगोटिया विश्वविद्यालय का हमेशा से रहा है, और हम भारत सरकार के साथ हमेशा यही कहते हैं कि हम भारत सरकार का मान, भारतवर्ष का मान कभी नीचे नहीं होने दे सकते। हमेशा हमने अभी जैसे बात की, अभी आप लोग जब अंदर आए होंगे तो आपने देखा होगा कि हमने एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के नाम से एक पूरा ब्लॉग बनाया है, जिसमें हम बेहतरीन लैब्स को ला रहे हैं, बेहतरीन टेक्निक्स को ला रहे हैं। हम ये चाहते हैं कि भारतवर्ष में वो सारी टेक्निक्स जो अभी विदेशों में अभी हैं, भारतवर्ष में अभी उनको हम कारगर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हम उनको लाएं। इसी वजह से उस रोबो को लाया गया, और ये कोशिश की गई कि आप बच्चे उस पर रिसर्च करें, उससे अच्छी टेक्निक को लाएं, ताकि भारतवर्ष में भी ऐसे रोबो और इससे अच्छे रोबो विद न्यू एआई टेक्नोलॉजीज के साथ बनाए जा सकें।
Let me in fact rope in my colleague Brian Thomas again on this. So Brian, we heard the clarification from the university registrar as well. They are in fact stating that they have AI development block as well. They keep buying such technology in order to inspire children to build things like this. And he stated that he has not received any notification regarding the vacation of the stall that was allotted to them at the AI summit. If you can take us through all those details, please.
Yes, I just said, yes, I had interviewed with both Neha Singh and Dr. Aishwarya Srivastava. Now, very importantly, what both of them said, like I mentioned earlier, also was the word develop became no means it was controversy. Now, what they have been saying, that they said that it's not the development, they got this Neutron, and again, this robotics, and it was for children who are dead. They can understand how it works.
All right, so I believe our connection with Brian over there is a little weak. We'll try to reconnect with Brian, but that's what we have been highlighting, that the university is stating that this is a mistake that has happened over the meaning of two words. All right. In fact, my colleague has exclusively spoken to Neha Singh, who's the professor at Galgotias University, and Dr. Aishwarya Srivastav. Let's take a look at that interaction.
Clearly, we are at the Impact AI Summit and something happened which was a bit unfortunate, and we'd like to hear their part of the story because again that is very important because it was a stir in the social media, so much of happening, but again it's very important to know what they have to say. Ma'am, if you can introduce yourself.
She's Dr. Aishwarya and I am Neha Singh. We are professors at Galgotias University.
The question comes is an interview that you gave yesterday.
First of all, I would like to thank you because India News you're representing India News and you have said we would like to know their part of the story. So yeah, thank you. That is sensible journalism. Thank you so much.
Now again the question comes, an interview that you've given, it comes as a context where it was maybe you are saying that it was misinterpreted. We want to know what exactly happened. It was a robot dog that was in context, that was a question that happened. What exactly happened? You have a picture there behind that you want to show us as well. So just tell what exactly happened.
So what exactly happened was that we are trying to explain that what the kind of investments we have made in artificial intelligence, the kind of work we are doing at the university for artificial intelligence, our students are doing, how we have built an entirely artificial intelligence and data science block, and how we are exposing our students to all the cutting edge technologies across the globe. And that RoboDog was a part of the investment that we have made, and we would like our students to know the engineering, do the study, do the R&D and come up and develop something with better features all of their own. That was the whole sole intention. Thank you for giving us the time and the patience and allowing us to explain very explicitly कि हम कहना क्या चाहते थे, what was our intention, what was our whole narrative. And that is what we have been doing with our students. We expose them to technologies and we ask them to upskill it and come up and develop something of their own from the scratch to contribute to the nation. That was our whole intention.
What exactly went wrong? You've been giving many such media interviews. What happened yesterday that it escalated in such a negative way that became a very stir in the social media itself?
Word developed was not received very well, and maybe I also not elaborated on the word developed. There's a difference between manufactured or designed and developed. So you take something, you procure something and you try to upskill it, that's development. But designing and manufacturing it, you start right from the brainchild to the execution of the idea, you start everything from the scratch. So that is manufacturing and designing. Developing is you procure something and you develop it further. We are in collaboration with the Center of Excellences at the campus. We are trying, the students are trying to develop something better equipped with better features, and that is what the students are doing. That is what we were trying to communicate, could not be communicated in the manner we intended to, and took the internet.
Output was different is what you're saying.
Yeah, maybe something went hither-thither and it did not landed well and took the internet by storm, and the whole controversy and the buzz is there. I regret that the energy which should have been channelized towards the students' work, the time is going in clarification. हम आपको शायद इसी समय पे ये बता सकते थे कि हमारे बच्चों ने क्या काम किया है, और please do give the pavilion a visit. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha. I'll speak to you, ma'am. You were also very emphasizing the fact that in that very billboard itself, it's written unitary, right? You mentioned it. But again, that interview, what exactly happened? What went wrong? Ma'am gave a clarification. She spoke about it, that it was developed that she used, but was taken out of context or misinterpreted.
I think the misinterpretation was at the word develop, right? What she meant to say was that we are trying to develop our own version of it. The develop word had to come for a statement that we are trying to develop things of our own based on this. We are trying to upskill, do research, development, and then develop something of our own. We have never claimed, we are not a manufacturing organization. We have never claimed that we are making. It is a part of the investment that a university is making in the direction of artificial intelligence. We have developed a new data science and artificial intelligence block, and we have invested 370 crores in the direction of AI. A part of that investment was this RoboDog, which we never claimed, we never intended. It is right there, you can see on the poster, the Unitary and the O2 is mentioned. All the interviews that I gave, I have mentioned clearly, it is O2 model, it is O2 Air model, it can do this thing, but it cannot do this and this. We are trying to study it, we are trying to upskill.
It was basically for the fact that you wanted the kids to understand how it works and to learn from it.
Yeah, in the campus, here it was, it was for establishing that we have this in our campus. When you come to our campus, you will find such cutting-edge technologies already present in our campus for our students to work on them.
Now, since we are here to hear your side of the story, there were many reports circulating online and everywhere itself. Sources have been saying that you've been also told by the ministries to vacate this exhibition or store. What is it exactly? Are you actually told to do that? What exactly is
Not been told to vacate this. We are still here, very much here, present with the genuine work that our students have made. We have showcased 10 iOS apps that our students have made, which are live on the Apple Store. We have our AI-based 10 startups which are there in the front of the pavilion, which we have showcased. They are AI-based and they are made by the students. So,
last question, ma'am. Are you thinking of writing a letter or giving a notification, giving your clarification?
provided a testimony yesterday.
Testimony, a press statement, but any letter that you're thinking of that I should be doing more to give my sort of clarification, because there's such a big stir in the social media. You know, whenever you open X, you get a, you know.
An attempt to clarify all those things. We are doing this in an attempt to present our side of the story, and that the intention was not such that such misleading things happen. It's a regret that this has happened. But we are we belong to a very esteemed university, and we have a legacy of our own. We have a very high QS ranking. We are really working towards research and innovation, and we have gold medalist Paralympics. We are like a very budding university, and we would never want such a thing to happen, which would tarnish the image of our country.
Been speaking a lot, and thank you so much for speaking to us and giving it a thank you, ma'am.
Helping us in bringing our side of the story. I would really want you to show the picture which is there, which says it's made from by Unitree and the model is O2. We have clearly mentioned. We have not tried to hide it or.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking to us. So thank you, Dr. Aishwarya, for speaking to us. So yes, viewers, we spoke to Neha ji, who is the professor here. We spoke to Dr. Aishwarya. So clearly, again, we are trying to show what happened, what went wrong at this very university, that happened. You can see the university, Gautiers University. Now, they were talking about that specific billboard there. But again, this is our attempt to show what went wrong, what happened here. And we will be bringing many such stories, many such interviews in front of you. Keep watching NewsX. This is me, Brian Andy Thomas, and your camera person Dinesh for NewsX Delhi.
All right, let me in fact go across to my colleague Arzu Seth, who's joining us live from Bharat Mandapam, and she is present at that Galgotias University stall that has been allotted to them. So let's take a live check, a ground check of what is actually happening over there. Arzu, take us through the details. Has the university been asked to vacate? What is the current situation right now?
Well, definitely, we are right now present at the Bharat Mandapam, and that particular Galgotias pavilion where the controversy has erupted, because of which, and in fact, as you can see, this is the particular, robot because of which the controversy has erupted, and driven by innovation and rising globally, powered by AI. In fact, there are a lot of, as I also wanted to show you the visuals of the this pavilion of Galgotias University. As you can clearly see, the lights have been switched off because these are the arrangements which are being done by the government, and as you can see, the lights have been switched off as the government has asked the Galgotias to remove this stall from the Bharat Mandapam. But on the other side, what we are getting to know that the registrar of the university has said that they denied anything, they denied that such order has been given. So yes, currently there are stalls, still this stall is present at the Bharat Mandapam, but we need to wait for some time what further notice the university gets, because as we try to speak to the professor of the Galgotias University, she mentioned that we are waiting for any statement from the university, and until then we will be keeping this stall as it is. So definitely the controversy has erupted over the Chinese robot, and the government in fact has asked to remove this stall from this particular Bharat Mandapam at the AI Impact Summit. Yes.
All right. Do you believe what right now is the stall now being closed off, Arzu? Because we can see those visuals that you are bringing for us. You've stated that the lights have been switched off. However, since the people over there who are organizing this stall, they haven't received any communication from the university side. They are still waiting for an official go ahead to vacate the stall or to stay there. Arzu.
ये हमारे साहब हैं यहाँ पे खड़े हुए, बुला के लावे।
हाँ, साथी कहाँ है?
आप बंद कर दीजिए, बंद कर दीजिए।
आपने कहा है? कौन है साहब? कौन है? तो देखिए,
क्या आपने पावर सप्लाई कट कर दी?
जी
जी। क्यों कर दी? किसके आदेश पे?
ये बुला रहे।
क्या अधिकारी ने आदेश दिया?
जी, ये सर को बुला रहे हम।
पावर काटने का किसने कहा?